about to post a video on the proper way to get in the back of a pickup truck. So at first, let's have Linda show you the way that she does it. Linda, can you please show us how you get in the back of a pickup truck? This is called the Cecil County Crawl. Now, Russell, can you show us how you get in the back of a pickup truck? All right, well, Alan, will you show us how you get in the back of a pickup truck? This is the proper way of getting into the back of a pickup truck. Now the question is, how do you get out of the pickup truck? Nice.